Morris. Hi. You gonna come up? Hi, Morty. Oh, you're up. You're up. Hey, bud. Hang on. I'm trying to set it down. There you go. Hi. Good boy. Stripes are up in my legs. You want some dry chow, Stripey? Come on. The chicken's waiting on me. It's been hard on them in the heat, too. And Dawn's over here helping water. Yay! So everybody but us got more rain, it felt like, last night, but we did get a little rain. There's a chance of another thunderstorm this afternoon. God, please, I hope. More than yesterday, please. So I informed Don the other day that I needed another hose sprayer, and he spoiled me because I have the sprayer to end all sprayers at the garage, hose reel, and down across the bridge currently.
Right.
But I need one on the side of the house. Well, to use in the front yard. I really need one for the front yard.
Yeah, this goes back to, way back to like 2017 when we got Grooming. I got a new all brass and stainless steel hose sprayer thing.
How much? Tell them how much it weighs.
Oh yeah, it weighs a ton.
A full two pounds?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
So I got the thick thing for, what did I say?
Oh, don't tell them how much it really cost.
Yeah. Well, let's put it this way. It's now well over doubled in the 8 years or thereabouts since that. But this is the third one I've bought now.
Well, I told him he could order me a cheap one, and I'd need a new cheap one next year. Yeah. Or he could go get me the one that was going to last me the rest of my lifetime that I'd really be happy with.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, it's all your fault. You're the one that bought it in the first place. Because I think when we consolidated over here, we both had some stuff.
That's right.
Mostly my stuff, but I think Gail, your sister, had some stuff too.
That's
and
right. We're all guilty here.
And
we're all guilty here.
Yeah, and you ordered that Taj Mahal one, so you can't blame a girl for being spoiled. So anyway, ELEY, and you need to probably order it from their website.
Yeah, you're not. I don't think they do anything on Amazon.
Yep, and this is American-made, real
10-year guarantee.
Yeah, this thing isn't going to give you any heartache.
No.
Yeah, and I told Don it fits so nice in my hand. You can't go get me one of them other ones. I have to have the same. Well, I need it to work the same way in all the places it works. I'm not having one in one spot and another one in another spot. So
right, that's right. So yeah. I got there is a slight problem.
Holy moly, it's too big.
No. I've got to get the quick disconnect.
Right. We got too many females. We got too many females and
not enough males. That's right.
Yeah, and they were out of stock.
And they're out of stock.
Well, at this point it's been almost a week. You're just going to have to go order.
Well, the problem is you can't just order once you go a certain way, you have to keep going with that manufacturer. No.
I meant you're just going to have to order both, even though we don't need both.
Well, they don't have the other one either.
Oh, really?
Right.
So you bought out all of the stock trying to...
Well, they probably sold out over the spring, and they will restock, I'm sure. I mean, they've been selling these. I've been buying them for 5 or 6 years, so it's just that they sold what they had. And, the next batch from China or wherever
it's also your fault.
Also my fault.
I am spoiled. I don't unscrew and rescrew. I just unconnect and quick connect.
That's
right. We're just funning a little bit. But
fun.
seriously, let me come over here. This is... Yeah, but I told Don he's not allowed to take the sprayer thing off because it comes off of there. Is this one a quick connect?
Well, that's what I'm saying. The part down here will be a quick
connect.
But
where the sprayer is.
But the sprayer is not a quick
connect. Anyway, it's a quick connect on some of the other ones.
But it's going to take it off now since you've adamantly that I cannot undo and use that part of the quick connect.
My preference is that you don't do that.
That's right.
I've had to come in the house several times because I couldn't find what I needed because you had moved it on me. Thank you for buying me the nice rest of my lifetime sprayer.
Pretty much.
I think now that we have 3, we're good.
I think we're good.
Did you notice that we got 2 new fans?
Yes, I did. I've already adjusted this one over here.
We're back. Can we go home now? Because
Yes,
it was such an ordeal to re-sign back up that I think we should
what
be.
might do today is just let's do 30 minutes on the thing, and then maybe we'll...
Right, well, we got here today, we're going to do something, but we had to re-sign back up, and they changed their system, and we had to totally re-sign back up, and then they charged us 3% for using our card, so it cost us 90 more cents to come and exercise than it used to.
You didn't give me my over senior discount.
Yeah, exactly. You'd have thought he was dying.
I am dying.
No, you're not.
Oh, that whipped my butt. I tell you, I could tell we laid off for 3 or 4 months. Jiminy cricket. Holy crap. If I'd have known it was that bad, I wouldn't have came.
Well, we did what we said we were going to do. We got in the building today.
Got registered.
We actually, yeah, the registration thing was a kind of a thing.
Changed.
But it's okay. And I did most of my workout, maybe a few less reps.
I did 2/3. I did 20 instead of 30 of everything. I did everything I was supposed to do, except for I did 20 instead of 30.
I didn't think I was going to be able to make it on the bike for the full 30 minutes, but I did. The last 5 minutes was like, oh God, could it just be over now? Yeah, I did 15 minutes and then 10 minutes on the elliptical, so I did 25 minutes on the elliptical. Yeah. So the guy that takes care of the building does a really good job. You can go now. He came in at the very end, and I asked him, I says, so when are they going to kick us out of here for the renovation? And he says, it seems like the first of the year. Probably, and it's probably going to be a total shutdown for however long it takes them to redo the building. And I said, well, you know, it's just too far for us to go to the other building. Too much traffic. I don't see us doing that.
Yeah, I just don't see us.
So I said, we'll just be getting our groove back on. I personally do not support remodeling this building. For what they're going to do, I don't support it. I know that the guy taking care of the building is happy about it. But they already replaced a bunch of the heating and air conditioning up top. And when I look at what they're going to do and how it may or may not benefit me for the purposes that I used to build, I don't really think it's going to benefit anybody. But I would have rather have had a whole new building than to remodel this building. Like, I want one to go in by Fire Station 4 on the northwest side of town. The new fire station going up 55. Judd Parkway is a good road to take, double lane road to take you over there. There's lots of housing going in. It's sort of between us and Holly Springs. I just kind of vote for
there you go.
You didn't have your foot on it, did you?
Nothing. That was it. That was all on it.
Yeah, well, apparently I did, unbeknownst to me, we're on 2026.something.6.12, I think. Oh, these releases, I feel like I'm back at IBM. We're on 2026.14.6.12. And that update is waiting to go on the Cybertruck, but I haven't put it on for 2 reasons. Number one, Adam tried to warn us about this release. And I've heard about these hesitations and things. We weren't having any hesitations like that on the I mean, it hadn't done that little stop-go thing in forever.
And that's twice it's done it.
Yep, and then, you know, Saturday's video where Don made the left turn here in Robot. He had trouble with that left turn and car coming up over the hill, and it kind of stayed out there or whatever.
Yeah.
And then the other reason was we're really close to our 250-mile streak in the Cybertruck, and I don't think putting the update on it will change it, but I wasn't taking any chances.
Right.
Yeah, and I guess now, besides Adam saying this release is yucky, I think we've personally seen it be yucky a couple of times now.
I ended up putting my foot on the accelerator right back there after it basically let a couple perfect good opportunities to go by, and then the Hummer went by, and then the traffic light turned green, and that long line of cars is coming, and if it would just go after the Hummer, it would be fine. So I just touched the accelerator so it would go after the Hummer. I didn't let it decide. I decided, and that way we got out there instead of having to wait for that whole left turn queue of cars to get by. So
yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely
Anyway,
say
2026.14.6.12.
yeah. Little, it kind of hit a little bit. It's kind of gun shy. It won't pull the trigger.
Yeah. What's it gonna do when it parks for you?
I don't know. I think it's turning around. No. Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna turn around and back in the garage again.
I do believe that's what it's going to do.
Okay, well, at the very least, we need a pull-in or back-in option on the screen. We can start with that, at least. Now, where does it think it's going? Oh, goodness. No, there's not enough room next to the Cybertruck.
Kyle and him had to navigate. Where would navigation take you? You could just came to our driveway. You would have went around.
That was a bad time for the camera card to fill up, but this is where we ended up. Just a few seconds later, it put itself into park. Dawn didn't intervene.
Ta-da!
Yeah. So Dawn ordered us this new fan from Amazon, a Zafro, Z-A-F-R-O. And that was so that we didn't need remote controls and we could just do a commands to turn the fan on and off. And that was really nice of Dawn to do. It was. But I spent over an hour today before and after the gym trying to get the A part to work. Right. And it uses a Smart Life app.
Yeah, we had fair work.
We have a lot of, we got like 15 devices that go through the Smart Life app. And anyway, I never did Lego, and I never came back and filmed another video. I just got really frustrated with the fan, and then we had a beverage. Yes. So the videos kind of ended, and I thought I should say something, but I was...
Automation is speaking to you.
It's 10:45 p.m. Have you started your washing machine yet?
We haven't started ours, according to...
And it will go off again in 15 more minutes, just in case I didn't get up the first time.
That's correct.
I behaved nicely tonight. I didn't cuss it on video.
Yeah. But she was like a powder keg. Just any little spark would have set her off.
What, earlier?
Yeah.
Well, that was pretty frustrating. I couldn't get it on, and the Wi-Fi wasn't hooking up right, and then I tried on my phone and Dawn's phone, and it failed, and then later on I tried on Dawn's phone, and it got it to... We have several things that we've had to do this on, like, won't work on Android, the iPhone does great. Can't get it to work on the iPhone, Android works great. I really want Dawn to get rid of his phone, but every once in a while it does come in handy. Yeah. But this is a thing, I guess, at this point. And we're hoping overnight magic might work and somebody on the cloud somewhere might realize that device is reset or something. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, that's what happened for the rest of the evening. I worked on the fan. I got frustrated with the fan. I did something to forget my frustration.
Yeah, and she didn't let me get a nap.
I didn't?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't have any recollection of that, but okay. Was that because I was so upset about the fan? But I did let you have a beverage with me.
You did.
And you were very good mood, so I don't know what you're complaining about.
That's right.
And I fed you steak.
Great steak.
Yeah, ribeye steak and scrambled eggs with onion in it and cheese on top and half an avocado. Yeah, so there was that.
There was that.